Hey, hello YouTube, thanks for watching. Edward here. So in this video I'm going to talk about graphic creation, all right, because I know a lot of people ask, and I know the stuff that I've been able to create has allowed me to increase my channels, my YouTube, my Facebook, my Instagram, my TikTok, my various platforms. And it's thanks to being able to create better graphics using better tools and technology that has allowed me to grow my channels. And that's what it's all about in our space. We're network marketers. We're building a business. We want to get exposure and graphics and converting those graphics into videos and creating videos. And that's what we're doing here. That's what we're trying to do. All right. And my content is improving thanks to the technology that I've got. And I want to share that technology that I'm using with you guys. So first of all, give me a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Click that bell so that you get notified as and when I upload, new sharing different tools, recommendations, methods, ideas, and how to do stuff to help you to grow your online business, network marketing business. So let's get to the video. So I'm going to share with you a bunch of tools, some of which are free, and in fact you can do most of what I'm going to teach you for free. And then there's an optional upgrade. But they all have important and unique things that they can do that you can use to help you to grow your channel, so social media. So first of all, I use ChatGPT. And now, obviously, as we all know, ChatGPT has a free option. So many other things. I have a whole dialogue every day with ChatGPT. It helps me to improve, and I don't use it because I think that AI is there to just do all the work for us. That's not the way I feel AI should be used for. It's in some ways I get busy. I get very busy, but because it allows me to leverage up what I can do and improve my skills, I probably end up getting more busy because I'm passionate, and I think it's great what you can do with ChatGPT. So, but I mean, as far as on the topic today, we're talking about graphic creation, and as far as graphics concerned, it does some pretty good stuff. It's not bad. I mean, for me, I think that ChatGPT is all about concept driven. It can give you a good idea, a good concept to work with, and if you want to up the quality, there are other tools that you can use once you get your kind of understanding of what it is you want. So you're playing around with stuff, thinking, hey, that's the kind of what I'm trying to get at. I like the kind of the dynamic style that it does. It doesn't always do it. Sometimes it's I mean, as you can see, I have a whole dialogue with it, and I'm just using the app. And you don't have to be skilled in prompts to talk with ChatGPT. You just use the app, and I just speak. I just ramble. All right. It's like if you have a skilled graphic designer sitting right next to you, and you're just having a dialogue with them and say, oh no, tweak it like this, do this. Oh no, I don't like that. That's not my style. That's really how it's going. And with the app, the ChatGPT app, it has a very, very, very good voice to text recognition. You're just talking, and it's better than the typical voice recognition that you use on your phone if you're just sending an audio. It seems to, I don't know, integrate with AI, and I mean, my pronunciation is not bad, but I just ramble on, and then it just figures it out. It seems to know what I want, and it gives me a good result. So that's why I like it. And then sometimes if I think I could probably do a better job, once I've got the concept, I can just click in here, and well, that's just not updated. I don't know wherever this was. That's one of these. Well, anyway. So anyway, what you can do is you can actually edit stuff. You can click this paintbrush and you can edit. And like if I want to take that out, for example, the top there, you can just simply tell it to remove it, and it'll understand what you want it to do. Or you can add stuff in there, or you can change the text. You can edit various things, but it's like a command base. Your what you want to adapt or tweak or whatever, and it'll regenerate just that part right up there. So that's pretty good. And once that's done, the next thing you can do is you can actually take the prompt that it used, but in a more of an articulate way. So hold on, let me just generate this first. So there you go. I mean, it just removed it. So it took out whatever you need to take out, or you can add whatever you need. So anyway, we've got the graphic there, and then you can click this little button to grab the prompt. So it's actually given you the exact prompt, and it's sort of scaled it down. It's articulated it better, and it's a well-crafted prompt. You copy that, and then you can take it into another tool that might, because with ChatGPT, there are some downsides. The quality isn't quite as good. It doesn't have an upscale feature. You can't upscale it. You can't make the quality any better or whatever. And then you can take it into another tool. I mean, for example, Picklumen, Picklumen is what it's called. This is actually a free tool. It's completely free, and you can actually generate as often as you like. So this is another tool that you could use. And this is on the inside. I've created a few concepts, and it does a few different things. Let me just see what it does. I think the quality is better, and amazing, it's free and it has unlimited use. It'll never tell you you're creating too many or whatever. So this is also another tool that I use just to sort of tweak some ideas. If I've come up with some ideas, let's try them out. Let's create some concepts, get some ideas, get some inspirations or whatever. And then you can use different modes, such as anime style or line art or other. You've got the flux, which is pretty impressive. And then you've got different dimensions. You can do different sizes of your graphic. And then you can tell it to generate however many you want to generate. Sometimes it's good to generate 4 because you want to pick the one that you like or whatever. And then you've got some other options, like you can put in a negative prompt and you want to just make sure that it doesn't do certain things, like you can put in some keywords or whatever, and then just generate. The next tool is this tool, which is also free. It's called NightCafe, and there's a big community on here. You can earn credits by interacting with other people's content. You can see who the top producers of content are, and then what prompt they used, what graphic, and it really gives you some ideas. But I think this is very artistic. If you're into that, I mean, I love it, but it's probably not something, it's not a style I would use on my social media, because I'm simply promoting health and wellness mostly, or an income opportunity. So it's kind of not quite the style, but it's cute, and some people might go for that. That tends to be the feeling of this. It's very sort of kind of comes up with kind of something artistic, which is nice if you like that sort of thing. But the more you interact and comment on other people's stuff, you get more credits, so you can create stuff for free. So that's that. Let me go back to this, what it created. Well, this is what it created. So I used the same prompt. So you've got ChatGPT that created this, and then you've got Picklumen, excuse me, that created this. So there seems to be a kind of a more realistic kind of style to this, isn't there? I mean, you can tweak the prompts and you get a little bit, I mean, it sometimes goes one way or the other. I think the results you get are great, and the fantastic point about Picklumen is that you can have unlimited creations, and it creates them really fast as well. So I like that. But sometimes it doesn't quite go with what you want, but you can just keep regenerating, and eventually you can come up with stuff. Now, Freepik, I think, is fantastic. And now you can get some free credits every single day. I can't remember what you can check the prices, but there is a pricing table. And then for free members, I think you can get, so yeah, I mean, you get limited use. So you get 20 images a day for the free memberships. You can generate for 20. You can read that yourself. But the amazing thing about Freepik, and this is some of the stuff that I've created, is that the quality is incredible. I mean, I love this graphic. This one I actually, hold on a minute, or this one. I mean, it's just high quality. You'll get better quality with this because they've recently upgraded the mode, and you got Flux 1.1 Pro, and this is probably, I think this is definitely one of the best modes that you can get for image creation for AI. And they've also got they got the Mystic. They got different modes for whatever it is you want, and there's a lot of tweaking. So you can change the size, what size you want. You can go with different styles, 3D, you can go cartoon, you can do kind of surreal or whatever, oil painting. You can go different colors, you can go vibrant, cold neon or pastel or whatever. And you can do dramatic, long exposure, and different iridescent, neon, high flash, various other things. And then you got the camera angles as well. You can really tweak things. So let me just create a graphic using the same prompt. I mean, the other thing is that if you're trying to figure out a prompt that's perfect for this platform, you can actually ask ChatGPT to come up with a prompt, a text prompt. Just tell it, you say, I'm using freepik.com. I'm using the mode Flux 1.1 Pro to generate some graphics. How can we come up with the ideal prompt based on the concept that I'm trying to get at? And if it needs to, it'll actually do a search on Bing, for example, and it'll actually go into various websites to learn about the ideal prompts for that platform, and then it'll give you a prompt based on what I'm trying to get at, and then I can just copy and paste it in and grab it. So a lot of these videos for my reels that I've been generating, so like these videos, all these videos are done with Capcut. This video, for example, all these videos, and I'm putting the graphics that I create and generate using the AI into the templates, such as this one. All of these videos are done with Capcut, all these ones here. And you can pick they've got literally tens of thousands of templates on Capcut. You just pick a template, you can do a search, and it's all app-based, and then pick the template you like. It'll ask you to import the images from your phone. Boom, few seconds, you've got your entire video done. It's all based on the template. There are certain little tweaking things you can do, like change your text or whatever, and put your own images in there, obviously. But then you save it to your phone and upload it, and then you can get ChatGPT to craft you a post or whatever, a text post, and you're done. It's taking very little time. I generate graphics every day, and I let my team have access to this. But the purpose of today's video is I wanted people to know how to create their own content, be creative, learn how to do all this. And it's quite fun to do, making your own creations, sense of a feeling of accomplishment. This is what it created. So actually sometimes it does things, I don't know, some people might like that, but I personally prefer, I actually prefer what ChatGPT came out with. But you know, nevertheless, you can actually see the quality. It's incredible, the quality generating. I mean, they give you a limited number of credits, so I'm not going to waste my credits, but you know, there's some pretty impressive results you can get. And if you create it again, see what comes up. But just bear in mind, you've got you know, you'll use up your credits. But that's why I like ChatGPT, because I can reduce the need for keep regenerating too many times, because I can tweak my prompt first, or you know, come up with concepts to begin with on ChatGPT, and or even this tool, because this tool is free. You know, and I can just try things out on here, tweak my prompt, try again, and I think, okay, we've got a good concept. I like this. I'm going to use this prompt, see what it comes out with on this Freepik or whatever. But you know, I mean, actually, you don't necessarily need a whole number of different tools. You know, you can pick the ones you like, or just the single tool you like, and just use that. Yeah, I mean, it's not bad. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching.